Right, here we go again. I've got rid of my COVID locks. I've come to the woods just to try and do a bit of mushroom foraging, and then I'm back down to the coast. We're going to do some more spearfishing, spend a few more hours in the sea, maybe see if we can get a lobster or a crab or some winkles, or just see what I can bring.
Come on lads, you spent enough time back coast, come on. Just have a nice night.
Is that you for night? Are you fully sheltered? Are you sheltered though? You're going to get some runoff, aren't you?
Yeah, probably.
You're going to get dragged down into one of these Mordors. If push came to shove, there's worse places than that hole to sleep.
Yeah.
Decent, innit? Decent hole.
4 stars on Airbnb.
4 stars? We're just out looking for shrooms. Shroom hunting, and as soon as I say that...
There's no reason why it couldn't grow here, but...
Earth ball. Here he is, look, yeah.
I know you missed me.
Yeah, they've missed you. Of course they've missed you. We do keep looking into that though, don't we?
I'm trying not to.
It's hard, isn't it? It's really difficult.
I'm trying not to. Look at the big black square circle.
Here we are. Look at us. We look like SAS Who Dares Wins because of our black tops.
The new peeler.
It's a new peeler.
Oh, it's got a little cheeky survival tip there.
Can you see that? Probably not. There, Boffins of Whitby, which is the mother of my child. Her family own a bakery in Whitby, and it's been amazing to be able to collaborate with them and collaborate with her family like that. So if you're watching, Anita and Mike and everyone else, cheers to you lot.
Cheers.
Cheers to Boffins.
We like Boffins a lot.
We love Boffins a lot. And I can't believe it, and I'm here with my good friend Joseph Von D. We've both, what have we been tested for? We're both in each other's bubble, aren't we?
Both negative, mate.
Both negative. Let's get stuck into it.
Yeah.
You brought a cup, I see.
I did. Did you not?
Nope.
Foolish.
But I've had some, so you get it poured.
Dennis Bergkamp.
Yeah, he's back. He's back.
Smells heavy. Like a
Heavy duty,
like
innit?
good night. An early night. Smells like an early night, that mate.
Oh.
I think your mum's going to smell that on your breath, isn't she, when you're wandering?
Well, you shouldn't be going anywhere near your mum's face when you've had a few of these. Oh. But not too sweet.
No. Cheers.
Cheers, brother. A long time it's been. We're actually out on a proper camp. No more coastal foraging. I'm back. We're back.
Actually, look at woods behind us.
We're in woods. We're nowhere near the sea.
It's that wallpaper. Actually, we're in his flat.
That's a feature wall in my bedsit.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought the last one was too sweet.
Yeah. Well, it was up near 9%, so you got to compensate.
Yeah,
I know. It's hovering at the sweet
better,
spot.
it's
Can you
better.
tell us vitals? I've got it in my hand. I'll do it.
A 6.5, isn't it? 6.4.
It's a 6.4, and it's Yorkshire Brack.
I think that works very well, mate.
A Yorkshire Brack. So we've come to the coast, my beloved coast, to do a bit of a wild camp by the sea. You can see that nab over there, that grey nab. We're going to go around that and we're going to camp on a little bit of grass that gets landlocked. As soon as it gets high tide, we're landlocked, we're dealing with each other. It's a little experiment, social experiment, see if we don't eat each other, suck each other off, cut that.
We've just arrived at camp here. I think the plan is to, we've got a few crabs that we're going to cook up, and then we're going to make a bit of a curry as well, I think. So.
Almost got fire there, right?
Brian spotted this bit of timber, perfect bench.
Do it with a hand. We need some muscle, please. Yeah.
Alright, I could carry this.
Angle on it.
You come to me, right? Yeah. Right, I've got it. I've just got it. I've got the whole thing.
We need to move forward.
I've got it all.
What are you doing?
You can let go. Oh, fuck! Whoa.
Need to work out what we're going to do for this beer, eh?
There's something that I've been thinking about for a long time, and it's the mother of my daughter, and her family have a bakery in Whitby called Botham's, and they do some mighty fine brack and different cakes and all that sort of stuff. I'd love to incorporate that into the beer if we can.
Talking Yorkshire Brack Porter.
Proper Yorkshire, proper English porter.
Yeah. Build up like the real kind of currant flavours with the malt bill and all that kind of stuff. What are we going to call it though?
Well,
I think,
it has to have brack in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, what about brack in the habit? That's brack, and then it's
Bringing Yorkshire brack, I think, is a good
bringing
one.
Yorkshire brack.
I'm bringing Yorkshire brack.
Bringing Yorkshire brack. I like that.
Yeah, that's got legs.
I'm bringing Yorkshire brack.
I'm bringing Yorkshire brack. Yeah.
Brack. Da 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 da. Done. Send it.
Done.
I liked it. It was a good video.
It was a good video, that wasn't it? Did you like it? The end bit. I was good on that. That's some of my best work. Yeah. Jack edited me. He did me dirty on editing though.
Why?
Because there was a bit where they had this huge sleeper that they were bringing up to the thing, and I was like, do you need some muscle? I'll do it, you know. Now get off, I've got it, barefoot, pissed, I've got it, dropped it. And he just put like music like deep, 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 deep. He did me dirty, did Jack, the Ripper. But anyway, yeah, that's how it came about. It's Yorkshire Brack, which is one of Botham's best loved cakes.
They've got a good range, man, of them like brick style tea loaves, aren't they?
Tea loaves, yeah. Can't even see myself on this. I've got GoPro 7 out. I'm not as greasy as I look. I've just put smidge on my face. I've stupidly forgot my SD cards for both my cameras. That doesn't matter, but from now on, we're going to be on the GoPro and the iPhone, so I do apologise if the audio is a bit keck. Just enjoying the last of the day. Plus can't be asked to set tents up just yet because chilling, that's why. No shrooms around here, we've had a look, but tomorrow we'll go venture further afield and see what we can find. Don't know when it last rained. It's always best, especially if you're in something that's a bit peaty, to dig a bit of an hole, get out the roots, so you're not going to set the place on fire when you leave. Peel her off, and then we'll put a jacket on it morning so we don't scorch her. And it's just a rock under there. Don't set fire in front of tree stumps. Take a jacket off, look. Draw some eyes on it and that is there, good to go. Wig back, that's it. There she is, ready for a close-up. There we go, just protect the rock. Let's get the fire going. I don't think we'll lose that. Got a Henry cut of lamb in there, which has got which is marinated in Yorkshire black garlic. That's sitting on some courgettes, red onion, peppers. We've got rosemary and ripping up some peppers in there. We're going to put some sweet potato, and that'll be job done. My boy Tubby Tom's death dust sprinkled nicely on some little bits of bacon there. That's our starter.
Coriander, salt, black pepper and rosemary from the garden.
From his garden.
Snatched it on the way out.
There you go, look, yeah. Dutty. Seasoned pork with lemon instead of apple. roasted lemon. We've also done a sweet potato in this tin foil and put some of the bacon fat in there and some of the spice mix. So this is going to be despicable.
Oh, mate. Oh. That pork is incredible.
Yeah? I'll show you. Reduced by half. Look at that. That is reduction. So, we're going to serve it up. Look at that.
Oh my word, man. How good does that look?
Shout out my wooden spoon by... Do you know who did this?
Nadine, yeah.
Nadine did it. Shout out Nadine.
Green Fox Wildcraft.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh mate, look at that.
Go follow. I bought this off her at Spoonfest. Anyway, enough of the spoon. Look at that. Look at the lambs just falling off the bone. Right.
Try that, mate.
I'll try that. All right. Look, I can cut it with a wooden spoon. So that's how tender it is. That's ridiculous. Let's go. That is that is delicious. That is so tender, so spicy, but in an earthy way. Eat some of that, mate. Gee whiz.
Oh my word.
What is that all about? What's that? How nice is that?
I mean, I was expecting next level with that, mate.
That's crazy. What is going on with that taste? That's delicious, isn't it?
Oh.
Look at the fires. Anyway, the fire's roaring. We're enjoying our amazing stew.
Absolutely.
It's going for it, man.
Absolutely.
Ah,
Incredible.
yes, mate. Good times. Good times. Oh, some biting insects. We're gonna go down to this little, to this stretch of the river, and there's a nice little eddy there where it's seems a bit calmer. Go and dunk the junk. Couldn't sign off last night. We got a bit squiffy on a box. We had a box of wine and just chilled into the night. Are you diving head first or what?
A little platform too.
Running diving head first?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, do you like my new tattoo? It's a bit scabby. it's a pressed buddleia. Whatever, mate. Pressed buddleia better than a depressed buddleia, you know what I mean? What I'm saying? It's one of them where it's just cold. Woo! Joey, these are natural. It is cold, like, isn't it? A bit nippy. They get head under or not? Are you going for it or not? Got a lot of air to deal with, haven't you? Oh, here we go. There we go, Buddhist. Burns a little bit, isn't it, Robert? It Robert Burns, kid. Oh, I can't cope, mate. It's burning. Yeah, that's it. Right, there we go. Dunk, junk. Cobwebs blown out. Oh, that was a nippy one. Delightful. It's amazing what a difference it makes to your mental state as well. Like your mind just like fresher, freshens you up.
Back that reset board.
Yeah. There we are. All packed up. No trace there. Oh, through to here. This is where we had our fire. No trace. We even put all the moss and whatever back on the rock. Litter coming back out with us. On Diddles. Mountain Man. My gear. Let's saddle up and get out of here. We'll drive there, bro. We've just driven off-road a bit and we're coming to bag a few waterfalls and dunk our junk in a few waterfalls. Oh. Is it what?
Look at that. There's a waterfall and there's the pool.
Oh my god. Can you jump off, do you think? Oh, it's the real deal, isn't it?
Not for everyone, that is it?
No, it's not, is it?
Hallelujah, praise the Lord.
Fine fodder.
How did he die?
Well, fell off there, Your Honour. I didn't push him, I promise. That's it. Beautiful little specimens. Whew. Common puffball to go in our butties. Jump into Becco actually. Better than Becco, won't it? Some prime bacon from a decent butcher's. Some common puffballs. Pure Yorkshire, mate. Pure Yorkshire. Smash some avocado on, that's just like butter. Yeah, my girlfriend made us some sauerkraut. So smash some, like, it smells delicious. So some homemade sauerkraut to go in as well. Good clobber? Yeah, man. Right, that's it for that one. We're leaving it here. We're not going to see Von D for probably forever because he's having a new bairn, a little bairn, so number 2. So just hit the like button to show Ulysses 2 some love. And we'll maybe see Joey D in a couple of years' time.
See you on the other side.
See you on the other side. COVID-19. Right, peace out. Catch you later. See you, mate.
See you, mate.
Take care. See you in a few years, yeah?
Alright. See you later.
Alright, mate. Love you. So ends the story. Look at him go, look. So ends the story of Joey D. Mic drop.